when you use the original medicine diet. And a lot of people don't appreciate the digestive system takes up more energy than any other of the other 12 systems of the body. So that's benefit number one.
So you mentioned kind of two issues that have come out from the modern diet in terms of too much processed foods and the impact that that has, as well as the increased reliance on meat and dairy to make our diet. But what are two benefits of the original medicine diet or lifestyle, if I can call it that, where people can really start to see a benefit from following those 8 laws of health that you mentioned previously?
Yeah, that's a really good question. And essentially, the two benefits of the diet, the original medicine diet, if I can just list two. The first one is it's much more efficient and much more effective for the digestion system when you use the original medicine diet. And a lot of people don't appreciate the digestive system takes up more energy than any other of the other 12 systems of the body. So that's benefit number one. It's the most efficient and most effective. And secondarily, because of that, it also allows you to have much more efficient operation of all the organs. And so it will give you much more vitality. The way I like to explain it, it will add 15 to 30 productive years to your life. So you'll be thriving and not just surviving. So those are the two things. If I can just be held to two things that I would focus on in terms of the original medicine diet.
Wonderful, Jim. So I think that's kind of given a very good overview for anybody that's interested in original medicine. Now, there may be some people that are watching this video that perhaps have other professions, other careers, and they're interested, okay, how can I learn more about this to apply it for myself or my family? So what are the options in terms of starting to develop your knowledge and understanding in the field of original medicine from somebody who's watching this video now and says, hey, I want to know more? What kind of options are available to them, generally speaking, to know more about original medicine or the natural perspective, if I can just
Yes.